Very good morning, students. I think all are fine, right? All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay. Students, in last class we have learnt soil erosion, right? Soil erosion and causes of soil erosion. Okay. Students, in this class I am going to teach you soil conservation. Okay. Students, soil is made up of three layers, right? Three different layers are topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock, right? The topsoil enables us to grow our food, right? However, soil erosion takes away the topsoil and humus. Okay. Humus is a dead and decayed plant and animal matter, right? Humus provides nutrients for the growth of plants, okay? And this humus is good for plants and it makes the land more fertile. So, we need to make efforts to prevent soil erosion. The prevention of soil from erosion is called soil conservation. Let us look at the some ways of soil conservation. Okay. And some ways of soil conservation are first way is building bunds and river embankments. Okay. Water always flows down the slope, right? Water always flows towards the direction of slope. Okay. Land can have a gentle slope or a steep downhill slope. The faster the water flows down, right? And the greater is the soil erosion also. Okay. So that the water flows can be slowed down by building an small wall or bund. Okay. All of you see here in this picture. Okay, students. The water flow can be slowed down by building a small wall here. Okay. Wall or bund. At the point where water flows out, the reduced water flow prevents the soil erosion. Okay. It also allows water to infiltrate underground. Okay. Which increases the soil moisture also. And the protective walls or embankments are built along the banks of a river. Okay. They protect adjoining areas from being flooded. Students, all of you see here in this picture. Okay. All of you see here, students. These are the protective walls or embankments. Okay. Are built along the banks of a river. Okay. They protect adjoining areas from being flooded. Okay. This prevents the soil erosion. Okay. And another way of preventing soil erosion is growing cover crops. Farmers use several methods to maintain the fertility of the soil. They let the field lie fallow between two major crops. After harvesting the first crop and before sowing the next crop. However, the empty fields becomes prone to erosion. Okay. To prevent this, farmers often grow fodder or the useful crops during this period. Right. So these crops are grown to cover the empty fields and so they are called cover crops. Okay, cover crops prevents water from carrying topsoil away. Farmers also plant trees around farmland to block wind. Another way of soil conservation is terrace farming. Okay. Farmers in hilly regions cut the slopes of hills into steps or terraces. Okay. Water gathers on the terraces rather than rushing down the slope. Okay. And this prevents soil from being carried away. It also makes farming easy. Okay. Another way of soil conservation is afforestation. Afforestation is the act of planting more and more trees to increase the forest cover. It is an effective method to control soil erosion. And the roots of trees hold the soil together and prevent it from being carried away by wind or water. Okay, these are the some ways of soil conservation. Okay, now let's watch small video about soil conservation. Okay.
Soil conservation. The protection of soil against erosion is called soil conservation. There are many ways in which we can conserve soil. We can prevent soil erosion by planting new trees. This is known as afforestation. Cutting hill slopes into steps or terraces can reduce soil erosion. This is called terraced farming. Here, the steps slow down the flow of water. Building bunds is another way to prevent soil erosion. Tall mud walls called bunds are built on the sides of the river. To prevent the soil from being blown away, a cover crop such as grass is grown. The roots of the cover crops hold the grains of soil together and prevent them from being blown away.
Students, in this class we have learnt soil conservation, right? If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.